So welcome back to the Whitehouse farm. What we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be replacing the lower exhaust bellows on this Mercruiser Alpha 1 Gen 1. So that's our plan for today, and I'll show you. So let me show you what I saw here. Here's the exhaust bellows, and you can see it's all dry rotted, and there you go, right there, that hole. That's, oh yeah, look at that, just split even more. So that's why we're replacing it. So let's go ahead and get that off. First thing you want to do is take off the worm gear that's in there, and you can see it back in there. And they made these holes here so you could easily get in with a long screwdriver and undo them, but I got an easier way. I got my drill with a nice flexible bit so I can get in there, and this will take it right off and put it right back on nice and snug. Let's go ahead and get in there and get that off. Alright, so as you can see, I got the worm gear off, and the exhaust bellows is detached, so we can pull this out of there. There's a little worm gear. We can go ahead and unscrew the second worm gear that's right here, which is holding the top part on. Now, there we go. Take that worm gear off, and we should be able to pull this off. Loosen that right out. There it goes. All right. So as you can see, that's kind of oval shaped. It's not perfectly round. So when we go to put it back on, we're gonna bend our worm gears so they're more in an oval shape to put on here. And now we can inspect the other bellows and everything else. And they actually looked really good. They actually look new. But here's the old one. Yeah, look at that. Get some water in there, huh? It's all dry rotted. So we'll set that down. Okay, so here we got our Bellows adhesive. And then here's our new Bellows exhaust. Here's our old one. And this one actually didn't have the metal clamps on it, which I'm surprised it was able to hold on so well. But we're gonna go ahead and put these on. Alright, we're just gonna put that on loose for right now. gonna kind of give it a little bit of a bend. And we want to keep these tabs at the bottom when we're putting this on. And basically we're gonna be putting it right back on there. We're gonna put some Bellows adhesives around there, and then we'll put this back on. So just check the area and make sure that it's not all crusted up and everything. This one's actually nice and smooth. And we're gonna put a little Bellows adhesive right on the inside lip of this, and a little on there. Whew. Stuff's coming out quick. Okay, let's go ahead. Get this on there. All right, so if you have to, you could drill this hole out a little bit bigger. All right, so now you got a hole drilled through that you can actually get to the bellows if you don't have one of these attachments. Okay, so now that's on there and it's nice and tight, we're gonna go ahead and pull the bellows out a little bit here. We're gonna get a zip tie around it. And this is what we're going to use to pull the bellows. All right, we're going to put 2 more zip ties around this zip tie so we can pull on it. One on this side and one on the other. And now we can tighten up the center one. So now you can see we can pull on the bellows. You can pull it right up to the bellows, or to the top part here. So, all right. I'll give you a under view here, what this looks like. So now we'll be able to pull it right up to it. But we can actually lower this down a little bit. And then we're going to connect them up here. So now when we go to get the exhaust on there, we'll be able to tighten these up as we go and it'll hold it on there. So let's go ahead and get some Bellows adhesive on there. And as you can see, as I'm working it, it's bringing that right up on it. Okay, as you can see, I got it pushed down on there now. So now I can tighten this up. So that's seated on there all the way. And we got our metal clamp on the bottom. All right, so we got that on there good and tight. We can go ahead and remove these zip ties now. All right, so we got the zip ties off. There's our new exhaust bellows. Get under here. Take a look. It's all on there now, nice and tight. In the back, nice and tight. All right, so we are all set now. New exhaust bellows on. All right, so once again, hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, ring that notification bell for future videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.